Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the fastener by twisting it.
A rivet puller is going to make this job a lot easier.
Remove the panel by prying it back. Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise.
Use a pair of pliers if it's difficult to turn.
Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb assembly is tight and secure. Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to wiggle the housing while you push to get it back in position. If you're having trouble, try inserting it at an alternate angle. It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the back panel.
And then this little fastener actually goes on to one of those bolts, and essentially all you do is push it in there. It's going to kind of help hold that on.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.